Masa di ko napislite eh. Hello? Are you there, Pooh? Did you already enter our classroom today? Okay, joining. Still joining. Okay, teacher will wait. Oh, it's still joining. Okay. Pooh, can you hear me, Pooh? Okay. Oh, there. Pooh, can you hear me?
Hello
Okay.
there.
Okay. Hello, hello, Pooh. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay, good. It's good to hear that. And how are you today?
I'm fine.
Oh, you're fine. That's good to hear. And did you go to school today?
Yes,
Oh, that's good to hear. And did you already eat your dinner today?
uh,
Oh, what did you eat for dinner today?
I eat, I eat, I eat noodles.
Oh, you eat noodles today. Wow, that's so yummy. And did you play soccer with your friends today?
Yes,
Oh, that's good to hear that you play soccer with your friends today. And can I ask what did you do last yesterday, Sunday? I Oh my God, no, no. It is today is the second day. It is um Tuesday. And here we will just take a break from tongue twister today. Book. And now I have here another activity, our icebreaker. Here, today is what is day today book? What is day today? Is it Monday, Saturday, or Friday? What is day today?
it is Friday.
Oh, it is Friday today?
It is Tuesday.
Yes, that's right. It is Tuesday today. I got a shock when you say Friday. And here, what is our date today?
Um,
The date today.
it is,
It is what? Today is Tuesday, and the date today is what? We can skip that one.
Tuesday.
What date? What number?
31. 3.
Oh, very good. 31. It is 31 today. And what is the month, Pook? What is the month today?
Uh, 3.
Oh, is it January today? April or September? What month is it?
30. March.
Yes, that's right. It is March today. And year, what is year today?
Uh, 20 and 36.
Very good. They are in the year 20 and 26. That's right, Book. And this is the last day for March. And next, tomorrow, what month is tomorrow? What is the month tomorrow?
It is, it is April.
Very good. It is April. We will start our day tomorrow as for April 1. That's right, Book. And here, okay, here, next is what is the weather there, Book?
It is cool.
Oh, it is cool there. Cool or cold? I guess it is cold there because it's not hot or warm. And we already done answering this icebreaker activity or warm activity for today. Very good, Book. You know what is the day, date, month, and year today, and also the weather you have there. Good job. And here we have here our new lesson for today. So, Book, can you read this?
It is my new
Very good. So, what is this word? Can you read it again?
news.
Very good news. And here, what animal is this, Book? Book, what is this animal?
It's a monkey.
Very good. Did you already see a monkey, Book? Did you already see a monkey, Book?
Yes.
Oh, so what is it looks like?
It is ball.
Oh, did you get scared seeing a monkey?
Yes.
Oh, you get scared seeing a monkey. What they eat, Book? What food they eat?
A banana.
Oh, they like bananas. That's right. They like to eat fruits. The monkey like to eat fruits. And here, our first activity. Can you read this book?
But the back of Island Coon you can see.
Oh, we have here the parts of Low Island Scope in this activity. And here inside the box, we need to fill each name of the parts in here in the blank. So here we have first example. First picture we have the what is it? The first picture.
The office.
Very good. The office. And here, can you guess what is this room book? Using the words we have here.
The spot on the library, the computer room, the office. Apply that running room, the engine.
Very good. That's correct. And here, the second picture. What is this?
It is a computer room.
Very good. A computer room. Why can you say it is the computer room book?
They, they have computer.
Very good. Do you have computer room in your school book? Do you have a computer room inside of your school book?
Yes,
Oh, did you go inside?
yes.
Oh, what did you do? What did you do inside of the computer room?
I play game.
Oh, you play games inside? Wow. Did you play games with your friends? Did you play games with your friends, Book?
Yes,
Oh, what games do you usually play?
I play. I play football game.
Oh, football game. Oh, what kind of play do you play in your computer or in your cell phone?
The football game.
Oh, football game, a digital football game. Okay, and the next one here. What is this part of the Island School book here? The third picture. What is this called?
Is a smartphone.
Oh, very good. This is the sport hole. Why can you say that this is the sport hole book?
Because um, soccer stadium.
Yes, there's a soccer net and there's is a ring for the basketball. Good observation, book. And here the second, fourth one. What is this place called?
Is library.
Very good, the library. Why can you say that this is the library book?
Because there are many books.
Very good. There are many books. And does your school have a library book?
Yes.
Oh, did you already enter the library?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess you read many books there. And here, our fifth picture. What is this place?
Back
What is it again? Can you say it again?
park.
Oh, is it a playground, you say? The playground. That's right, because it has a swing and a slide. And here, our one, two, three, four, or six picture. What is this book? Our sixth picture.
It is dining room.
Very good. The dining room. So what does the student do in the dining room? What we do in the dining room?
They eat.
Very good. The student will eat in the dining room. So very good book. We already finished our first activity for today's lesson. And you answer it without my guidance on what is the name of each part of Low Island School. Good job. And now we will proceed to the next activity. Oh, we have here an audio story from Nick. So, can you read the instruction here, Pook? What will we do?
They
Here, can you read this?
We spot at the school. Listen, write letter from A.
Yes, that's right. So we have here the letters that we need to write here in each blank. So now let's first listen to the audio here.
51B. Here's my news. Listen and look. There is one example.
Shh! Be quiet, Nick. You mustn't talk in here.
Sorry, Miss Key. Can I take this book home with me? Here's my card. When do I have to bring it back?
Next Thursday.
Can you see the letter D? This is an example.
Oh, so the place Nick enter is the letter D. Because Nick borrow a book. So what place is that book? The letter D. What is the place letter D?
Library.
Very good, the library. So now we will guess what is the next room or place Nick enter.
Now you listen and write letters. 1.
Good morning, Mrs. Day. Can I phone home? I forgot to tell my parents something. I want to have lunch at school today, so I'm not going home in the break at midday.
Okay, Nick. I'll tell the kitchen manager. Here's the phone.
2.
Oh, so where is Nick entered?
It is dining room.
Oh, the dining room. Are you sure about that book? Nick is talking to the Miss Day here. He's talking to her. So what room does Nick enter? What letter?
It is I.
Very good. It is letter A. And next is
What can I give you for lunch today, Nick?
I'll have chicken and fries with a green salad. And I might have some fruit. Can I take a pear from this bowl?
Of course you can.
so what place is that, Nick?
Oh,
Nick Tom Book, what is the place?
dining room F.
That's correct. In the dining room. Nick is asking food. And here next one is
3.
Now, listen, everyone. Nick's going to tell us about the website he's just looked at.
The North Museum's homepage has lots of paintings on it. It's very quick and easy to use and looks great on screen. And you can also play games. The address is www.northmuseum.org.
oh, they are what place they are in book? They open a website. Search a website. What is that? Yes, www.museum. What place is that?
It is B.
Yes, that's right. What is that room book?
Our computer room.
Very good. That is the computer room. Next is
4.
What are we going to do today, Mr. Park? Basketball?
No, badminton.
I've never played that before. Where are we going to play? Outside?
No, inside. Over there.
Oh, those white lines on the floor are for badminton. Of course.
so what is the place? Book?
It's C.
Very good. And what is the letter C?
It is spot hole.
Very good. The sport hall. And What did Nick play?
Nick, um,
Do you remember it, Book? What they play? I'll give you a hint about that. Starts with the letter B, and the next is letter A.
badminton.
Very good. It is a badminton. You're quick to um remember the hint I gave you. That's right. And here we already finished the second activity for today's lesson book, and you correctly answer each one of them. Very good. Just listening in the audio, you already know what Nick enter place inside of the Low Island School. Very good book. And here we are going to the next activity. Now, oh, we have here. Oh, okay. Okay. So ask and answer about Airways Hotels information. Okay. So we have here, can you read this book? Our next activity?
Transport by Eva and Robert Hotel website information.
Very good. And here we have here Eva's Cook's Hotel and Roberts Brown Hotel. So here I will read the question here, Book, and you will answer it, the information in the next box. So are you ready, Book, to answer the question I will ask?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So here, hotel, noisy or quiet? What is the answer here? You can read here.
It's noisy.
Oh, noisy. And how many rooms?
In 27.
Oh, so here, sports. What sports?
Tennis.
Oh, table tennis. Is internet, bedroom?
Yes.
Okay. And what? See from balcony. What do you want to see in the balcony?
Coconut trees.
Oh, so okay. The next one we have here from Roberts Brown Hotel. So, hotel, noisy or quiet?
It's white.
Oh, it's quiet. How many rooms?
Uh, 610.
Oh, 610 rooms. And sports, what sports?
Swimming.
Oh, swimming. And does is it have an internet bedroom?
No.
Oh, what can you see from the balcony?
Car factory.
Oh, car factory. And we already done doing the next activity book by answering the website information here. Very good book for the role-playing video today. Next, we will jump in our next activity. Oh, we have here another activity for today. And so this activity, I will just reserve it for our next class. Okay, Pook, is it okay for you to do this in our next class here?
Yes.
Okay. So we already done doing our three activity for this lesson. So do you want to play that game, Pook, or do you have another play you want to play, Pook? Do you have a play you want to play?
Yeah.
Oh, what play?
Um. Don't know.
Oh, you don't know. It's okay. Here, you want to play the XOXO?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we'll just put here 3 boxes. Oh, and here. So we will play so you will not um bombarded with the activities. So here, Pook, what do you want? You want to go first or me?
Um. My.
Okay, go on. Okay, you put there. And wait. Okay, you put there. I will put mine here. Oh, you put there. Mm, here. Oh, I'll put here. Oh, you put there. I put here. Here, book. Oh, you already win the first round, book. So I will here put 1 point. And me, teacher, teacher is 0 point. There, I don't have a point here. So I will delete it. And you want to go first, book, this round?
Yes.
Okay, go on. Put your first book. Oh, you put there. Just put here our scoreboard. I've already 1 point. Oh, here. And me, I will put mine here. Oh, put mine here. Where do you want to put it, book? Oh, you put it here. Put it here. Oh, put it here. Oh, where is the true book? Where is the true you want to put? Is it, okay. Oh, you already got the straight X here. Wow. So you have 2 points for for the second round. Wow. And I will end our class for today, Pook, because it left second. So you have already seconds left. And good job for answering each activity today, Pook. Good job. So, bye-bye, Pook. Good night.
Yeah.
Good night.